Hey guys, for today's video we're going to be replacing the engine air filter on my Nissan Titan. The dealer is going to ask you about $80 to replace this filter, but you can actually buy the filter for about $10 in Amazon and replace it yourself in 2 minutes. So today I'm going to show that to you, and I'm going to have the help of my son to do it. The filter is actually very easy to open. There are just notches right here. You have a latch here, and this one here, and that one over there. So there's 4. You just have to basically pull it out, and then after you do that you'll be able to open it. Okay, so I'll have my son do it. Okay, go ahead. That one, and the other one. Okay, so now you just lift this thing up and grab the old filter. So you just want to make sure that your filter is the same size, and also make sure that you remove the plastic cover from your filter. So this filter here looks like it's clean from the top, but if you look at the bottom you see all the dirt buildup right there. Okay, next is you just want to drop the new filter into its place, just like how you grabbed the old one before, and that thing's gonna line up. Okay, and then just close all the latch. That's how you replace your engine air filter. So I hope that you found this video helpful to you. If you own a Titan, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and make sure to click the like button and comment below and let us know which Titan do you have. And thank you for watching.